sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth and I'm here today with a very simple cross block. Sometimes simple is best. Mine are red and turquoise and it's a real easy block, so let's get started. This is what we're going to need for our cross block. I have my background fabric here, 2.5 inch squares, and I have the cross fabric 2.5 inch squares for the top and bottom, and then this middle piece is 2.5 by 6.5, and I wanted to show you that the back of the fabric is actually the front. It's got some gold speckles on it and I didn't care for that gold speckle, so I looked at the back and I preferred the back of the fabric. So sometimes the back of the fabric is just perfect for what you're working on, so always check the back and see if that might be an option for you. So I'm going to sew these rows together and we'll end up with a 6.5 inch square cross. I press the dark fabric in towards the dark fabric so that when I go to quilt it, I won't have shadows behind here in that white fabric. That's kind of important when you have a white background fabric. So there's my 6.5 inch square block. Such a simple quilt. All you'll have to do is alternate with a plain 6.5 inch square piece of fabric for your background fabric, and soon enough you'll have a quilt. Thanks for joining me.